What's new in TurboCAD 2023? View exploded. Change view by world plan. Go to Modify, select Exploded View. Open Local menu and turn on Axis X and Axis Z, then select Finish Selection. Define size of exploded view. Finish exploded view. Insert name for block and create block. Click Edit Content Form Block Palette. Open Camera Properties from View menu. Select Draft, then select OpenGl Form Drop down and select OK. Draft render will be shown. Thanks for watching.